So first open the Oracle VirtualBox and then go to this import option. In import option we have to find our download folder of Xilinx. In that we can go over file. Here will be 14.7_VM. Click open and then finish. So here it will start like import of our file. It takes a moment. Let's wait. And then it will show like 100% completed and it will pop up here. Just wait again. After that it will come like this and then click on that. This will come like this and click on project navigator. It will open and then finally project navigator is getting open. So then it's easy. Then follow the same new project, give the name XYZ, click next, finish. After that go for how we want to do this. Give the name, we want to type code file. Here also we have project browse, open project, new project examples, and various things. Thank you.